Good day everyone, I am Krisha K. Altungpalan and I will be explaining the design for our pizza ordering system. We use the radio button to allow the user to select one option from the set of choices in the pizza menu. First, we use the variable RDO Hawaiian for the flavor Hawaiian, and we also put RDO and the name of the flavors for the variables of the rest of the flavors. In the second panel is the labels that indicate the size. First is the small size that changes into RDO small size variables and likewise to the remaining size that will be shown when the case is executed. And by adding label button and variables LBL small price for small price and so on, the price will be changed. And for another right part in the panel will be the add-ons. And below the panel we will see the J button for create order that has a variable name of btn create order. For the background, we use black background for the flavors, size, add-ons, and order summary, while we use white color for the foreground of the following four said subject.
So hello sir, as you can see, if I run this code, as we can see that Hawaiian and small size is already selected. So how did I do that? I just called the RDO Hawaiian, which is our variable name for Hawaiian. That set selected equals true. And same as the small size, I just called the variable name for our small size, RDO small. That set selected equals true. And for our label in the price, I just make 3J label in the side of our price here. And I just change the text into 90 for small size, 110 for the medium, and 130 for large. That's all. Thank you, sir.
Hi, I'm Vanessa Jairus and now I'm gonna explain how to group the radio button of pizza flavors and sizes. To start, we must import javax.swing.button group, and then to group the radio button of the pizza flavors, we must type button group and then create a variable name for the group of flavors equals new button group, and then copy the variable name which is RTBT and group 1 that add the flavors RDO Hawaiian, radio button of ham and cheese, and radio button of pepperoni. Now the next thing we're gonna do is to group the radio button of pizza sizes. To do that, we just have to do the same process we did with the flavors. Type button group, create a variable name equals new button group, and then copy the variable name which is RDBT and group 2 that add the pizza sizes, radio button of small, radio button of medium, and radio button of large.
Hello everyone, my name is James Levidiose and I'm presenting how to change label based on flavor. Thank you, Ms. Darius, for your topic, button group. Now let's proceed to my topic. As you can see, we click Hawaiian flavor of pizza. The price must change. First, let's put up a event handler action perform on each of the radio button flavor. As you can see, they all have a action perform action event on every J radio button. Now, if RDO Hawaiian or radio button Hawaiian is selected, we set the price for label small, set the label small price for RDO Hawaiian to 90 for size small. For medium in Hawaiian is 110, and for large is 130. And for ham and cheese, the small price is 110, for medium is 130, and for large is 150. And for pepperoni flavor, the small price is 130, from medium size is 150, and from large size is 170. As you can see here, if you click ham and cheese, the size price will change, as well as the pepperoni and Hawaiian. That's it. Now let's proceed to Miss Alin Sunuri.
Thank you, Mr. Jose. Hi, I'm Cecil Alin Sunurin. Now, I present my assigned task about the selected flavor of the user. First, we use string to hold the user selected flavor. We name our string select. Then, if the user select the Hawaiian flavor, we use if RDO Hawaiian that is selected. We call select to read the RDO Hawaiian that get text. The RDO Hawaiian text is Hawaiian. The Hawaiian flavor will go to the select string. And if the user don't select the Hawaiian flavor, we use else if for RDO ham and cheese. If the user is selected the RDO ham and cheese, we call again the select to read the RDO ham and cheese that get text. Just like what we do in RDO Hawaiian flavor, the RDO ham and cheese will go in the select string. And if the user don't select the two flavor, the user select the last flavor which is pepperoni. We use else for RDO pepperoni. If RDO pepperoni is selected by the user, we call again the select to read the RDO pepperoni that get text. Just like what we do in the two flavors, so the RDO pepperoni will go in the select string. And if you can see, there is \n which is enter. After the that get text, this is to give space for the sizes.
If-else-if statement is for single selection, wherein I use it in radio buttons. For small size, if RDO small is selected, the size string is equal to small string text, then the total price will become the price of selected size and flavor. For medium size, if RDO medium is selected, the size string is equal to medium string text, then the total price will be the price of selected size and flavor. And for the large size, if RDO large is selected, the size string is equal to small string text, then the total price will become the price of selected size and flavor. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Jamaica Davila and I will discuss the add-ons. We use the string add and double total. Take note, plus equals is used to multiply selection wherein the selected current, the latest checkbox, will be displayed together. So, if pepper is selected, the string add is plus equal to pepper string. Then the total of price and flavor plus the price of pepper. Next, if onion is selected, string add is plus equal to onion string. Then, the total of size and flavor plus the price of onion. Next, if black olives is selected, string add is plus equal to black olive string. Then the total of size and flavor plus the price of black olives. Next, if green pepper is selected, string add is plus equal to green pepper string. Then the total of size and flavor plus the price of green pepper. Last, if extra cheese is selected, string add is equal to extra cheese string. Then the total of size and flavor plus the price of extra cheese. For the next speaker, Mr. John Aaron Marasigan.
Hi everyone, my name is John Aaron Marasigan and I am here to show you how to get the price of size and flavor of pizza. So, starting here, I'm going to start down here. So, I'm going to put double because we're trying to get the number, which is the price. So, double total 0. Up here, these are strings and double will not be able to read strings, so we're going to convert LBL small price to small and so on. So I'm going to put it down here. LBL small price to small, LBL medium price to medium, and LBL large price to large. And then going back to sizes, okay, I will put total here to hold the value of small. So total small. total, medium, and total, large. That's all. Thank you.
Good day, viewers. My name is Ismael Tanyag, and I will discuss to you on how we get total prices when the user select an add-ons. Hello, my name is Ismael Tanyag, and I will discuss to you on how we get the total price of the pizza. First, I call the total in the if statement because that holds the current amount of the chosen size and flavor of the pizza. Let's just shortcut the code. I plus it to 5 because that is the price of the pepper. Now, the new value of the total is the sum of the previous price and the add-ons price. I do the same to the onions, black olives, green pepper, and extra cheese. I just change their prices. Let's have an example. Example, I choose the Hawaiian pizza flavor and the small size. The amount so far is 90, but when I click the pepper, the current total will add to 5 because that is the price of the pepper. So the new value of the total is 95. And also when I click the onions, the total which is 95 will add to 10 because that is the price of the onions. So the new value of total is 105, and so on and so forth. And that's how we code the total prices. Thanks for listening.
Good day, viewers. I am Marceli Baway, and I will be discussing on how to display all the selected radio button and checkbox in the JTEX area. We can display the selected radio button and checkbox in the JTEX area using PSA order summary dot set text pizza flavor plus select plus /n for next line plus pizza size plus size plus /n plus add-ons plus add plus total price plus double dot string total plus pesos. When you run the program and select different flavor, the price will change in the size. You can also select multiple add-ons, and when we click the create order button, all the selected radio button and checkbox will be displayed in the JTEX area. That's all. Thanks for listening.
But wait, we add some features. Hello again, my name is Ismael Tanyag, and I will discuss to you our add features. First thing you will notice is when you run the program, it will ask you if you have a senior card. The total amount will have a discount because of your senior card. First, we code the if senior is equals to 0 because the return value of yes is 0, and then we multiply the total to 1.12, and the product of that will be multiplied to 0.20 because that's how you calculate the senior discount. Then the final amount of the total is total minus senior discount, the vatable sale, VAT, and senior discount will be added to text area because of the text area that happened. After that, the program will ask you how much do you want to pay. If the money is less than the final amount, the program will say to you that it is not enough until you have enough money because of the do while loop. And then finally, change will be minus in the final total. I have a lot to explain, but we are running out of time, so that's all for today. Bye!